Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you a new piece of inventory. This is a Crest Classic Fish. It's a 2023 model. This is here at MarineMax. We're going to be your one-stop shop for all your boating needs. We've got an awesome pro shop with everything that you can need for your boat. We've got an awesome financing department. We'll set you up with insurance. And then on the back end, we have a highly regarded service department. We're going to be able to take care of you out there on the water. Let's take a step inside and look at some of the features. All right guys, as we step inside of the boat, you can see we actually have a 150 Merc on the back of this boat. Going to be more than enough to power you around the lake, do a little bit of tubing, and then also get you out to your fishing spots. We do have our twin captain's chairs in the back with our rod storage, as well as a full aerated live well in here as well. So it's going to be really easy to fish off the back of this boat and fish off the bow. We also have our Lowrance hook system. This is going to make it so that you have a depth finder, fish finder, chart plotter. It's going to make it really easy for you guys out there on the water. Save your favorite fishing spots and make sure that you're getting out there on them. As we step forward, you can see we've got storage underneath all these seats, and then this front section is actually a really good entertaining section. So it's not just a fishing boat. This one's going to be able to take care of your family while you're out there too. We've got an awesome extending bimini as well. Again, this is a Crest 220 Classic Fish. This one's here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.